So let's going to use this chain and the copper wire make a piece of the ring. And first, here we are going to use this wire to wrap it first at the ring band. It's going to be a very simple ring. First wrap it here 2 times on one wire, then we wrap the 2 wire on 2 times on 2 wire. Here 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Hi, Savia. Happy to see you. 1 2 and 1 2. So always wrap it like this. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So here is the way that's how to wrap a piece of the ring. Here and the wrapper. Next, we are going to use this piece of the cute piece of the chain here. I'm going to cut 6 pieces of the beads. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah. Okay. We cut the small cute piece and use it to make a ring. Attach here. This one. Okay, we tight it. Okay, we tight and tight tight again. It's wrap it between the space of this rhinestone. Okay. Then next again. Tight here. Next one here. Next one here. Okay, so wrap it like this. Then we're going to tight and we'll wrap it 1, wrap it 2, 1 2 1 1 2 2 1 1 here. So here is the way that's to make a rhinestone chain. Let's measure how long. It 1.8. Yeah, 1.8 of the wire sides. 1 2 and 1 2 Okay, again, and the 1 and the 2 and the 1 and the 2. Okay, also 1.8. Hello, Jess, Crystal, happy to see you. Hello, Mila, happy to see you. Okay, so here we're going to cut the wire this way, and cut the wire also here. This one, for now, it's like this. Thank you. Oh, okay, so here we're going to wrap here. Here. This way. And then another one. Here. Okay, so make it like this. And we're going to use this one, the piece of the in the size, it's a small size here, so I fold it at a size 5R. It's a small one here. This way, so it's going to be a cute piece of the ring here, like this here. So it's very easy, right? You can make any size you want, and here the rhinestone chain, you can use it to make the ring.